Morning, July 10th. Just entered Cascades National Park. Hopefully you can hear those birds. And this beautiful waterfall. And then here comes another car. And this is what I mean by wildlife crossings and having an opportunity for wildlife to move around its natural habitat. I'd just like to try to walk across with that thing flying towards you, if not multiple of them. Beautiful. And here comes another one. And the weekend is just beginning. It's Friday morning. It'll just get worse. And we expect these animals to have a natural habitat and survive. We gotta wake up, give them some pass back and forth across. There's no, that I know of, talk, and maybe I'm wrong, on I-20 here and through the Cascades, North Cascades. I know I'm on the way to I-97 out in the west, or excuse me, east Washington. And they have done some amazing work on I-90, and it's still going on until about 2026. But here we are again on beautiful road on through the North Cascades, and there's not one place that goes over, maybe a few under, for wildlife to migrate.